Pizza dance. Hey, Ems, what was Ninang's doggy's name last night? No, Fox.
What was the doggy's name last night? Fox.
Say Fox.
Can you open a window, please?
Not until she says Fox.
Fox, say Fox. Say Fox.
Fuck.
That counts. That counts. Got the F. Don't let Lola hear you say that. Oh, the kitchen window's fine, babe.
What did Fox do to you last night? Wow.
Sorry. It's Perrier.
What did Fox do to you last night? Did he bark at you? What did he say? What did he say?
Ruff, 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 ruff.
Ems, can you tell me what Santa says?
3 times. Ho, ho, ho.
Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
You're so funny. Do you love pizza?